Eddie, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
YouTube, what's good YouTube? You don't know what time it is. The dad is back in the lab. Today we're there with you. Don't know it's a Eddy G season. Eddy G season still going for winter, you know, from summer to winter to autumn. A year on is a Eddy G season. Yeah man, today we're there with Eddy G, Bomba and Bayka. You see me, Mr. Guffy them himself. You see me? Yeah man, the one named Louis V. I check it out and see what dog I'm deal with. So in from the title you see dog they must depend on some style thing, some swag thing, some braffing thing, some you see me? And may I take some energy, some style, some braffing, some you see me? Talking their shit on this one. That's what I'm expecting. You see me? So but we'll check it out to the deal with gang. You don't know, you like and subscribe button. You don't know. Road to 10k and beyond, gang. You see me? This year we are trying 50k now, don't it? The work I put in, man. You don't know. Let's get it. Eddy G, Bomba, Bayka, Louis V. Let's get it. Alright.
Oh, they fuck your broke economy. This a fully Louis V. Eddy G in the game, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Louis G. And then couldn't bully me, better go bully beef. Anything.
That's Fox, come on! Yo, me like Eddy G, bro. Eddy does full of style, you know, dog. And that me like it, dog, just raw and edgy. That full of style and swag, dog, just do him. The way, you see me? Yeah, man, not follow nobody thing, brother. Man, just do him thing full of style and creative. Come on, me like, bully beef, brother. We are try. Hey, come in. Yeah, man. Art. So I start a video them from now on. Art.
Oh, they fuck your broke economy. This a fully Louis V. Eddy G in the game, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Louis G. And then couldn't bully me, better go bully beef.
I want your boy, come in.
Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know a bullet reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me, diamond white like cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. When she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth.
Yo! I mean to pause it on the part later. You see me, because when me there pull up on your girl, she have to really free. And I'm not going to pull it, but yeah, come on.
From me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. When she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth.
Dirty free, and a toothpaste. Make it stress, make it lose weight. Grab a throat, and a note full of blue face.
Easy now, man. This is a wiki collab. Hey, go for them, just slide upon the track, so. Go for them. Oh, yeah, go in, man, yo.
Me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. When she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth.
Dirty free, and a toothpaste.
My name in for pause, yes, so either, you know. But that's what happened. You see me, but come in, this body don't have last day, come on.
Make it stress, make it lose weight. Grab a throat, and a note full of blue face. Have money stash, get cash money fat your back. Three girl a blow it off, never know some dog float off, fully charge up, don't pull it.
Hey, I never know something that. Hey, don't.
Some dog float off, fully charge up, don't pull it. 4 girl suck it off, pull it off, fuck it off. Eddy Bomba money rap, be a car.
Oh, they fuck your broke economy. This a fully Louis.
Yo, these shoes are harder than a big. Come on.
Eddy G in the game, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Louis G. And then couldn't bully me, better go bully beef. Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know a bullet reach. Baby, yesterday you live with.
Every time the hoses squeeze me, even know the bullet reach, brother. Yeah. That's reckless though, Eddy. That's reckless, but me know we are still. Go on.
Bully me, better go bully beef. Anytime the hoses squeeze me, different know a bullet reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me, diamond white like cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. When she look, she see the key, she better know.
Diamond white like cookie cream, pull up. Hey boy!
Bullet reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me, diamond white like cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. When she look, she see the key, she better know me shove the beast. Use my hood and brush your teeth. From me papa another break the money, make them gyal a sick.
That's nasty. Oh, like that. Hey, man.
Ready for Papa Molly pill and then a gaga chop a dick. I'm a rockstar rapper trip, kid a kick like a kick. Now for your stock like a chip and in this apocalypse.
Send 5 free guy the location.
For this apocalypse out here no boy. Out here.
In this apocalypse.
Send 5 free guy the location. Can't guard gym friend them run station. Gun pound belly car map running nation.
Bayka send 5 free guy Eddy low. Bayka, me I can't be bridging, brother. I mean, we need friends like Bayka. We need friends like Bayka. Bayka is a good friend. You see me? I say big up yourself, Bayka.
Send 5 free guy the location. Can't guard gym friend them run station. Gun pound belly car map running nation. Eddy Bomba rock berry every nation.
All the fucking broke economy. This a fully Louis V. Eddy G in the game of Maria and Louis G. And then couldn't bully.
You better go bully beef, boy. Eddy G. It's your season, magic. Hey.
Anytime the hoses squeeze, me different know a bullet reach. Baby, yesterday you live with me diamond white like cookie cream. From me pull up on your bitch, she a facing the pussy free. But she look, she see the key, she better know me show the beef. Use smooth and brush your teeth, dirty free.
You know, yeah.
On.
You know what I'm up. Yeah, we good.
Come on, this is full of style. Because it's a go full of style and swag, man. Talking the shit on that track. Come on.
Yo, man, I get
That man's white like cookie cream. One girl. Yeah. One. Hey. Yeah. Mama go on, y'all crying on pulling force, What's up with this? That's it. Yeah, man.
Yo, Kuya, watching up.
Kuya.
Creative Click shoot the one I hear that. Believe no man.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Creative Click. Naka Production. Big up on the damn self. Eddy G and Bayka link up. It's a good look. Yeah, man. That's how banger, right? That's how, man. Yeah, man. Eddy G and Mr. Yeah. Yo, Mr. Bomba himself. And Mr. Goffy them. Yeah, do your thing, man. That's a vibe. Yeah, man. That's a vibe. The energy on that is nice. You see me dog didn't do anything. You see me I say gang? Yeah, they did their thing on that one. I like that. I ain't gonna cap to you. Club banger. I think club banger. Club banger. Playlist. Vibes. Yeah, energy. Yeah, man. That is me like the one that they track there, yeah, man. Add that to the playlist. You see me? Low AV. As me pull up here, as me pull up here, and girl run it. Hey boy, hey the girl you. You see? That man's white like cookie cream out here, brother. You know, man. Yo, we need friends like Bayka, you know. Bayka is a good friend. Bayka say, yo, hey, send 5 free guy the location. Yo, Bayka, you want me location, me G? You send them low, you know, dog. Yo, we are charging now, you know. Bayka, we're friends now, dog. Yeah, G, you see me? Yeah, man, me G. Yeah, man, that's how we're doing. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know. I like to show the artists all love and support. You see me and say, let me know what your favorite part was, beat, lyrics, melody. You see me? Let's chop it up in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part was, all that good stuff. You don't know. There, gang. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.